Hi, my name is Kelvin Yap, and today I will run through to you what's distant learning, and this is basically a distant learning class preview. And as you know, my website is called Fengshui-Hacks, and this distant learning courses is actually a collaboration with One Affinity. Without further ado, let me walk you through what is the distant learning all about. Okay, so basically, okay, what is distant learning course? So you can sign up using the following link. The website is over here, fengshui-hacks.com/wp/register, or you can pause this video and use a scanner to scan the QR code, which will bring you to the website for that. And the website for this is give you a form like this, so you can actually fill your names and email and what type of payment mode you want. So we do PayPal, Western Union, or internet banking if it's Singapore only. If you want, we can do PayNow or PayLah, that kind of stuff as well, right? And then the courses you want and what other comments you want, and then you click submit for that, right? So back to this one. So once you sign up, we'll create an ID for you, and you straight away can actually log it. So we will email you the link, ID, and password to you. The course material will mail to you as well, and some of them you can actually download from the LMS itself. Okay, so straight away you will give you the link, ID, and password, and then you can attend the course via the LMS system, the learning management system, right? You can email us any question that you have, and then we will reply you. Okay, if you need, we can do on a Skype call or team call or the face-to-face call, and we can explain things in detail to you. So what is the advantage of distant learning courses is that you can actually get the same materials and presentation as attended in the class in person, right? So you get the same thing, right? And you get one-on-one attention because you ask questions, I will reply you, so you one-to-one attention, not like in the big class where you have a lot of students and then you don't have a chance to ask questions. And then of course you can repeat as many time as you want. So for my case is that I provide free lifetime access and support, so you can actually go back to the LMS system, log in the access again, and repeat the same thing again and again and again, and you know, or you forgot something and you want to ask question, you can continue to ask question as well, right? So let's go on to the demo. Show you what is this, right? So basically, normally in the classroom style, right, you see something like this, right? For example, right? So I will show the slides, and I will talk about what's in the slides, right? So this is the normal classroom method. Of course, for my learning management module, I'm not going to record classroom video and put it up, right? Because there will be distortion and stuff like that. So what I did is that I used the slide. I use back the same slide that I have in the classroom, and I record what I'm going to say on it and convert this into a video. So basically, it's the same as you're attending the classroom, right? I say the same thing, I present the same slide to you. The only difference that you cannot pause me and ask me questions, but then we can do that via other means, right? So what is the LMS system? So basically what you do is I give you the ID and password, and then you will be able to access. So these are the courses. If you sign up all the courses, then you'll see all the courses there, right? So you can actually go in and repeat as many times as you want. You got lifetime support for that, right? So you can go into a course, for example. So you have many modules. Again, you can repeat and take and also. So you got all the software I provide. You can just download, right? You can click, and you download you download, and then you install and use it. The achievement of questions one. So these are the things that some of my students ask me. I think that I provide the answer. I think it's useful, so I will update it here. So occasionally I will update more questions here based on questions I ask on the courses itself. So I will add all to it. So you see all these case studies and all this kind of stuff. So for example, you are taking this Barman, for example. So this Barman is actually, you see all the video, right? It's video, right? Basically, it's a slide. So it's a slide, right? It's itself where I record what I'm going to say as in the classroom, and then I add it together in the slide, so it become a video. So it's the same thing as you get in the classroom as well, right? Exactly the same. right? The video, what I'm going to say is the same, right? The text is all the same. So you notice that the video itself, there are numbers here. 29 means it's actually referring to the course material itself. So you can actually look at this with the course material. You can actually reference back and read the course material and come back to here and listen to what I say as well. And of course, the best thing is that you can pause and you can continue and stuff like that. So if you have questions, for example, and you want to ask me some question about this slide, right? You can always open out a Word document and type up your question, right? For example, right? So you can add all the questions here, and then you send to me. Then I'll reply you as well. So I will guide you throughout, right? So don't forget that you have lifetime support, right? So you can actually access this as many times you want, right? And as well as and go through the site again. So you can actually go through all these things. So you can go back to intro, go back to Jusik, go back to all the case study again and again. So you get a lot of you can actually repeat and carry on, and then and learn from here, right? So there are you can actually there's no time frame that to it, so you can actually carry on, learn, right, at your own pace as and when you want. And note that the courses itself, the LMS itself, you can actually use you can access via a mobile or a tab. So you're on the run or you are taking a train, you can actually go in and click on some of this, right, and carry on and watch it when you're on the train, and and note it down in a notepad when you have, right, and then you email to me and ask me questions as well. I mean, you can always email me and stuff. I have students that actually WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger me as well, right? So this is my website, www.fengshui-hacks.com, and this is one Affinity website. There are a lot of material on my blog as well. You can actually read and come back to this one. Okay, these are the link and the QR code to sign up. So I hope to see you in my distance learning course. So basically, my message is very simple. Okay, you get the same thing as attending a live course. Okay, and you got free support and lifetime access to it. You can actually repeat, and this is to assist you in your learning. Okay, hope you sign up for my course. Thank you.